Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing my annual what I got for Christmas video. This is for 2021, however. I normally post within the same year, but honestly, the end of 2021 was probably the worst ever. For those of you who didn't know, I lost my cat in the beginning of December, and then I broke my arm. I've never broken a bone before. I just had lots of delays, okay? This video is going to be a little difficult with this, but hopefully we'll be able to work through it fine. Also, for those of you that are waiting for that cat tribute video, I will be getting that up next. I just didn't want to start off the new year 2022 on like a sad note, so I wanted to bring my viewers a little bit more of a happy video. So I'm first going to show you guys what I got for Black Friday for myself. I went to the mall and I was going to make a dedicated Black Friday haul video like I normally do, but like I said, I just did not find the time, so I figured I would just mush this video into one. I got a lot from Gymshark just because I wanted to splurge on their website for their Black Friday semi-annual sale. So firstly are these pink and orange like sunset vibes shorts. They're like a really nice ombre. These fit so nice. These cute ombre leggings that match the shorts that I showed you guys. I basically only got black, gray, and pink items just because that's like the only color I like to wear. I also got like one of each item in each color. You guys know me, I have to have the basics. So I got this light pink sports bra. This is all the Vital Seamless collection as well because I wanted everything to match and look uniform. I got the same style and size leggings. So I have a pink sports bra and legging. I also got a pink like long sleeve cropped shirt. So I got the whole set, the leggings, the sports bra, the long sleeve, and the shorts for every color. So there's the pink. Also the same thing with light gray, these super cute shorts. These definitely fit me the best out of all the items. The long sleeve, the sports bra, leggings. I think I like the shorts the best just because, I don't know, I feel like they contour really well. They're super stretchy, but like they're also super thick at the waistband, so they like cinch you in. Light gray leggings, sports bra, and long sleeve. And then lastly, the same line but in dark gray, these shorts, the matching leggings, the long sleeve, the sports bra. I'm not gonna lie, I was just wearing yesterday, so that's probably in the wash, as well as a black sports bra. I did not get the rest of the black line, like the leggings, the shorts, or the crop sleeve, because they were not on the sale for the Black Friday deal. And they were just way too expensive. They were like $65 for like one piece, and I was just not trying to do that. Especially because I didn't even know if I would like the fit at the time, so I thought I'd try these, and if I like them, then I'll get the black ones. So I definitely will end up getting the legging shorts and the long sleeve now that I know that I like the fit and I have the right size. I have these so adorable and soft, like fluffy pajama shorts or like lounge shorts. They're in an off-white color from Charlotte Russe. These were $16, and I think if their deal was everything 50% off, or it might have been up to 70% off. I'm not completely sure, but I know I did not pay $15 for these. I think these came down to like $5 or $6 each. And I also got a matching pink pair. I have the long pajama pants in these from Charlotte Russe. They're so comfortable and soft. I just got some basic cropped shirts in black and white. These were $5 each. And then also these cute tie-dye biker shorts. I don't know how I feel about these looking back. I think I only got these because they were like super cheap. These are original $15, which Lord knows I would never pay $15 for these, okay? These are like Five Below vibes. I think they were like $2 or something. Definitely would not pay more than $5 for these. Like, you just got to be here to see it. Like, it is so see-through, so cheap. Also from Victoria's Secret for Black Friday, I got some perfumes. They were having a deal 5 for $36, and I definitely wanted to up my collection just because I had ones from so long ago. I got the Victoria's Secret Coconut Passion. This smells like Island Coconut, Warm Sands, and Beach Days. Definitely my favorite scent, coconut. I love it. So fresh and clean for after the shower. I also got this one, which I'm not even going to attempt to say the name. This is a Scarlet Rose, Pink Pepper, and Budding Romance scent. I really like this one. I also got this Rose Elixir. I got this more for like a holiday scent. This smells like berries and like Christmas time. Got the basic Love Spell, Cherry Blossom, Fresh Peach, and Impossible to Resist. Super cute. And I also got Velvet Petals. This is probably my least favorite out of all of them just because it is a very floral scent, which isn't my personal favorite, but if you're into like blossoms and tulips, you'll definitely like this. That was all the Black Friday stuff that I got myself, and now moving on to what I actually got for Christmas. This super cute pink colored hip thrust pad for like a barbell and for the gym. I definitely want to start bringing my own just because I recently switched gyms and they don't provide these, so I think this one's super cute. It's also super good quality. It's like really soft memory foam. In the fitness category, I also got this really nice jump rope. It has an LED smart counter. It's a durable steel rope, and it has like these steel ball bearings at the ends. I think they're like a little bit of weight. I'm really excited to get some cardio in the summer. I definitely am not into running on the treadmill or really any type of cardio, but like physical, like jumping jacks or like, I don't know, I just don't like running. Next is the Silicone Sonic facial brush, and this is an automatic like spin brush, but it's silicone, which I love because it's definitely more sanitary than like regular face brushes that can like hold up dirt and bacteria. I got this Flawless Salon nails, which is great for manicures and pedicures. This is by the brand Finishing Touch, which I love. I have a couple of their other tools, and I just really want to start getting into doing my nails at home a lot more. Something that I was really into this year for like no reason was straws. I got a bunch of metal straws that are tall enough to put in like venti reusable Starbucks cups, and also glass straws, which I already used all 5 that came in a pack, but those are all in the dishwasher. These I absolutely love. The only time I'll drink water or like really any drink without a straw is if I'm absolutely dying of thirst. Don't even get me started on paper straws. I literally will not drink if it's from a paper straw, which sounds so stupid, but like I just can't stand the taste. It like, oh my god, I can cringe just thinking about it. Metal straws and glass straws literally motivate me to drink. I also got this pack of sequin hair bows. I love wearing these with either high or low ponytails. These aren't like the big JoJo bows. I got these in inspiration of like cheer outfits and stuff. Next, I got this 6-in-1 curling iron set, which I love this because it's literally one attachment with all of these. You can wave your hair, you can curl it. Right now I have 3 different curlers in 3 different sizes, and the wires get all tangled. They take up so much room in a drawer. I feel like I would do my hair a lot more often if it was just so much more convenient. This definitely looks like it's supposed to be like a Dyson dupe, but I'm gonna be honest, $600 for a curler is ridiculous, and especially because I tried it in store at Ulta and it was horrible. Like it made my frizz like pop out so much with like that air curler or whatever. I got these adorable micro core earrings. These are like little hoops with a rhinestone sparkly MK in the middle. I also got lots of stuff for Christmas that was like related to my cat, like memorial gifts for her this year, because this was my first Christmas without her. So my sister got me this really cute Snickers custom like Christmas ornament for my tree in my room. It has like a cute little tortoiseshell on it, which is what Snickers breed was. She was on my intro. You guys probably can't see this next one, but it's like a custom glass box with a picture of my cat on it. You put an LED base at the bottom and it lights it up beautifully. I need to still get an LED base, but hopefully you guys can like see. Right here's her face, and then her paws like over my hand. This is one of my favorite pictures of her, so when I get an LED base, I'm definitely gonna have this on display in this room. I also got the cutest custom blanket. Oh my god, this was also for my sister. I love this so much. This is a picture of her. She's just so cute, and it's like a white blanket. This blanket is also incredibly soft and good quality. Like, oh my god, I can't even explain. It's almost like a velvet like plush, and it has a 3D printed picture of her literally all over the blanket. So that was it for this video. Sorry if it was a little all over the place, but this is super last minute. I just wanted to kind of get this up for you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what other types of content you want to see from me in this new year of 2022. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love y'all so much, and bye guys.